Why do we sneeze? Sneezing happens when tiny irritants like dust, pollen, or germs invade your nose. It's your body's way of protecting you by forcefully expelling these unwelcome visitors. Think of it as a natural cleaning crew for your airways. It starts with your brain receiving a message about the irritant. This triggers a reflex that forces air out of your lungs at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour to clear your nose. Fascinating, right? Sneezing isn't just about expelling irritants. It prevents infections, keeps your respiratory system healthy, and ensures your nose is working at its best. Like and subscribe for more.